Hey beauties, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. In this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. This is my everyday go-to simple, soft, but still glam makeup look. I have been rocking it every time I've gone out this summer. It's perfect for every occasion and it matches with pretty much every outfit. So it's the perfect everyday look. Whenever I'm not sure of which makeup look I should do, I always end up doing this look right here. Like I said, it's perfect and it matches with everything. It's the perfect daytime look, and you can also deepen it up a little bit more if you want to and make it the perfect nighttime look as well. I love it so much. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look right here, just keep on watching. Hopefully this cough drop helps so I don't sound so much like a man. To begin, the first and most important step is prepping your skin. So I'm going to be using the Clarisonic Mia to cleanse, get rid of all the dirt and impurities out from under my skin so I can have a fresh, clean canvas for my makeup and also to avoid breakouts. Clarisonic was kind enough to send this to me to try it out for you guys, and I absolutely love it. I have not stopped using it ever since I received it. By far, one of my favorite things to do is cleanse and wash my face every morning and every night. Is the most refreshing feeling in the world. The reason I love this cleansing brush rather than other knockoff versions of it is that it does not spin, which is so bad for your skin. It actually just osculates, which means it moves or vibrates back and forth, which is a more gentler, better way to cleanse your face rather than using your fingers or those other knockoff versions of this. So I absolutely love it so much. For this look, healthy, fresh, radiant, dewy, youthful skin is key. So to begin, I'm going to be using the Guerlain L'Or 24 karat infused primer. You guys know I have super dry skin, so I'm always looking for luminous, dewy primers to hydrate my skin under my foundation, and this is literally the perfect primer for me, and I absolutely love how lightweight it is on my skin. Thank you so much, Guerlain, for sending me this product to try out. For foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite foundation, which is the Dior Air Flash Spray Foundation. My favorite way to apply this is directly spraying it on the Beauty Blender and then just gently patting it all over my face. I really like to take my time to pat my foundation in my face. Mario, Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, said that was actually one of his beauty secrets with the Kardashians. He revealed that the reason why his makeup application looked so seamless and flawless on the Kardashians was because he really took his time to pat the foundation into the face and make sure it's just well blended and melted into my skin. Nobody likes cakey foundation, so I really love this foundation in particular because it literally looks airbrushed. It looks like a luminous airbrushed finish, and it looks like your skin. It does not look cakey at all or noticeable on top of your skin. It doesn't look like it's just sitting there. It really does help melt into the skin with this technique combined. Honestly, if you have not tried this foundation yet, you need to. It's absolutely worth it. It's actually going to make it really hard for you to use any other foundation because it's just that good. It beats everything else that I have tried, and I have tried a lot. It's literally the only foundation that does not sit right here in my smile line and creates extra wrinkles in my forehead and around my eyes. Oh, that's literally my biggest pet peeve with foundations, especially since I'm already dry. So a lot of foundations tend to just do that and sit in my fine lines and create dry patches, but this does not, like, at all. It just melts into my skin and looks like my skin, but better. By the way, if I sound different or like a man, I am sorry. I am recovering from a cold, barely recovering from a cold, and these cough drops are just not doing much for me. For concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, which is literally the best drugstore concealer ever. I'm gonna go right here under my eyes, my forehead, just a little bit on my nose, my chin, and just a little bit under my cheekbones. To contour, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in shade Truffle. Just gonna go a little bit on the forehead, cheekbone, and also along my jawline. And I'm also gonna use it to contour my nose. Now I'm just wetting my brush with some Fix Plus, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all in. I really love how seamless and natural cream products look on the skin. So to stick with the theme, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Super Shock Cream Blush and In Between the Sheets. So I'm just taking it with my ring finger and I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheek. I love how that looks so much. I love blush, especially in the summertime. It just adds a little bit of color, adds a little bit of life, makes everything look so natural and just ties it in together. For this look, I'm not going to be baking just because I want it to be more lightweight and on the go. So instead, to set my face, since we did put cream products, we do need to set our face with a powder. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder in the shade Banana. And I'm just going to lightly dust that all over my face. For bronzer, I'm taking the Laura Mercier Baked Bronzer and Blush in the shade Ritual. I'm just going to go around it to pick up more of the bronze shade than the blush. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Desi and Katy Dose of Colors highlighter in the shade Fuego. This is such a beautiful highlighter. I love it so much. I'm also going to add a little bit up here to give that luminous glow. I'm adding a little on my chin and also on the bridge of my nose. And before I move on to my eyes, I'm going to spray my face with Max Fix Plus. Snack break. I get hungry, okay? These little things are so good. No shame. So to prep my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Maybelline Age Your Wine Concealer and I'm going to place just a little bit on the back of my hand. And then again, I'm just going to set it in place with the Anastasia Banana Powder. So I'm using the same exact shade I used on my bronzer and I'm just lightly diffusing it all over my lid. I actually got this trick from the Kardashians. They do inspire me a lot when it comes to makeup and fashion. But Kim did say that whatever bronzer she uses on her face, she always also uses it on her lids and it helps tie the look together. And I do agree. I really love how that looks. Anastasia's Soft Glam palette is literally the perfect eyeshadow palette for an everyday look. You guys, I am so frustrated as I'm editing this video. I just found out that this next clip somehow did not save. Don't you just love technology? Luckily, you didn't miss much. I took the shade Orange Soda and blended it in my crease. Then with the shade Sienna, I buffed it in my outer lid. Now I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just gonna go back in and blend in some more. With some Fix Plus on my brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Glistening and add it to the inner part of my lid. And to finish up my eyeshadow, I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange and diffuse it along my lower lash line. My absolute favorite lashes for an everyday look are our Dell 113 Wispies. And now I'm just going to add some Maybelline Lash Sensation to my lashes. To add some finishing touches, I'm going back in with a highlighter and adding some to my brow bone, in the inner corner of my eyes, and Cupid's bow. Moving on to lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Liner in shade Cocoa K. For lipstick, I'm going to be using one of my all-time favorite MAC lipsticks in shade Cherish. I love this shade so much. And last but not least, I really want to share with you guys my summer scent. This is Oscar de la Rente's Bella Blanca. They sent me this scent to try out and I fell in love. Like I said, this has become my summer scent. It is such a beautiful, sexy but still youthful. That's very important because some sexy fragrances can smell a little too grown or mature, but this is still so youthful and vibrant and it just smells so good. I wish I could just spray it for you guys and y'all could smell it. And that is it for the final look. This is my go-to everyday neutral but still glam makeup look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching it and enjoyed this look as well. I think for my next makeup look, I really want to do a no makeup look. I have been rocking that so much this summer along with this look right here. So if you want to see that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and follow me on my social medias. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and for your love and support. Bye, beauties.